Hey y'all, today I will be making Kraft Velveeta Cheesy Skillets Dinner Kit, which is the ultimate cheeseburger mac. So I will be showing you guys how to make the easiest way to make this brand, which you will need is the mac seasoning. I don't know if y'all can see this or not, but it comes with the box and the Velveeta cheese sauce. Now, it tells you to use the ground beef, but today I'm not going to use the ground beef. I will be using some meatballs, Italian meatballs. Yes, I am. Okay, and I have 8 meatballs. So, and I also have already cooked my regular macaroni and cheese, and it's steaming. So that's all you need. So I'm going to use the leftover Velveeta cheese sauce and just only have a little of the mac seasoning, because you don't need a lot of the macaroni seasoning, because if you put a lot, then guess what, it will be salty. And see, I don't like no salty food because it's not good for you. Okay, so as you can see, I have already chopped up my meatballs and put it in the already cooked macaroni. So now I have my leftover Velveeta cheese sauce, and I'm going to put the whole thing in there because it is like kind of like half. So I'm just going to put all of it in there because you want your food to be cheesy and creamy. So that's how I like mine. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and to pour the sauce, all of it, because you don't want it to be dry. Okay. Now I have my pot on the stove, and so it can heat up. So it's on low, but I'm going to put it on medium just to make it kind of warm. Okay. So I also have the mac and sauce, which is leftovers, and I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit because you don't want a lot, because like I said, you don't want it to be salty, and then you had to busy drink a lot of water with it. Okay, and we don't want to do that. Okay, so I have my spoon, and as you can hear, my the food is sizzling. Don't it look good, y'all? Alright, so this is the end results. Okay, so I had sprinkled a little sharp cheddar cheese on top of the Cheesy Skillets Dinner Kit Ultimate Cheeseburger Mac. So, like I said, this is easy to do, and I hope that you like it, because I surely do. Okay, so make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and y'all have a blessed day.